Good morning to all. Power electronics, instrumentation amplifier. Instrumentation amplifier using 3 op amps, that is A1, A2, A3, shown in circuit. Non-inverting terminals connected to R1 resistance through R1 resistance. Input is at the terminal of R1 resistance. A3 is third op amp. The output of A1, A2, difference of A1, A2, output difference of A1, A2 op amp is differential amplifier formed around op amp 3 using resistance that is connected, shown in circuit. The instrumentation amplifier, the visual short circuits at the input of op amps A1 and A2 cause the input voltages V1 and V2 to appear at the two terminals of resistor 1. Thus, the differential input voltage V1 minus V2 appears across R1 and causes a current I is equal to V1 minus V2 divided by R1 to flow through R1 and the two resistors R2. The difference voltage between the output terminals of A1, A2 is V0 1 minus V0 2 is equal to 1 plus bracket 2 R2 divided by R1 bracket and whole bracket into bracket V1 minus V2 bracket. The difference amplifier formed around A3, since the voltage difference is V0 1 minus V0 2. To provide V0 output voltage is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 into V0 1 minus V0 2. V0 2 first amplifier output voltage, V0 2 second amplifier output voltage. R4 and R3 are resistance. V0 is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 bracket 1 plus 2 R2 divided by R1 into bracket V1 minus V2 bracket. V0 output voltage is equal to minus R4 divided by R3 bracket of R1 plus 2 R2 divided by R1 into bracket of V1 minus V2 bracket and whole bracket. V0 is equal to only we find V0 output voltage of instrumentation amplifier is equal to R4 divided by R3 whole bracket of 1 plus 2 R2 divided by R1 into small bracket V2 minus V1 small bracket and whole bracket. V0 formula shown in notes. Input is negative, so because remove the sign and put V2 minus V1. Change the V1 and V2 sign. Differential voltage gain is equal to A is equal to V0 divided by V2 minus V1. A is equal to R4 divided by R3 bracket of R1 plus 2 R2 divided by R1 or A is equal to differential voltage gain is equal to A is equal to R4 divided by R3 whole bracket of 1 plus 2 R2 divided by R1 bracket. Advantages. It can be shown that input common mode signal VCM will propagate through the first stage, resulting in V01 is equal to V02 is equal to VCM, assuming VD is equal to 0. If the second stage difference amplifier is properly balanced, it will produce a 0 output. It responds to VCM. Since both the input stage op amps are connected in non-inverting configuration, the input impedance seen by each of the V1 and V2 is infinite. Thank you.